Hello, everybody. Welcome to the party. Happy Monday again. We did it again. We made it to another Monday again. Blah, 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 Monday. How y'all doing? Whoa, indie. Impossible. I don't know an indie. Haven't seen an indie on stream in weeks. Maybe even months.
New York State test.
Alright. Cool, man. Catch you in the next one, bud. Sorry, I expected music, but I don't have GarageBand open. See you, mon frere. Alright. Well, we got another boring one anyway, so hopefully nobody joins. Alright. Alright. Let's see if we can get this. Let's get this song down. Almost. Why is everything so quiet? Is that me? No, that's normal. I must have the piano low. Oh, let's try this one. Yeah, I think it's just that. Okay. Alright, back to Happy Monday, everybody. Look at these bunny feet. Alright, we need to set the category. I'm remembered. Okay. And let's do that. What are we doing? Oh yeah, game development. Or shit. Now we are doing game development just a little bit different than everybody else's game development. Because we are converting the Orbem game engine to a plugin, which should have been a lot easier than it is. Technically, I've done pretty much all of it already. Only problem I'm running into is Gulp. I can't get Gulp to compile the CSS. Works fine with JavaScript, but no fucking idea. I've been working on this for a long time. And this stupid ass gulp function is, well, mainly it's this fucking, nope, this fucking compression shit is just not working. So, last resort, I'm going to use exactly the same gulp setup I have in the theme. I was trying to upgrade it so I could use the newest version of NPM instead of having to sit back on 11.14. But Node Sass is surprisingly deprecated. I think I might give it a shot. Let's try to replace Node Sass. Give me a gulp replacement for Node Sass or Gulp Sass. Gulp Sass. Wait, is it Node Sass or Gulp Sass? For deprecated Node Sass? No, I think it's Gulp Sass, maybe. Gulp Sass is deprecated in favor of a cleaner setup using a new official one. Gulp Dart. Okay. Never heard of it. I mean, maybe I have, I don't know. So let's try to get rid of Gulp Sass and replace it with Gulp Dart Sass. And see how that works. And how do you use it. Yeah, basically the same shit. Alright, let's see if this works. My guess is that Node Sass or Gulp Sass is just done. So it's just not working. Yeah, let's replace this. Wow. Doot and dat, doot, dat and dat, doot. Alright, let's see if this works. If it does, then I wasted a lot of time. Because I didn't think about upgrading to a different one. Aha! Sass has already been declared. What? Fuck you talking about? Sass, yeah. Huh? Huh? What do you mean? Wasn't it always like this? Was it not always like this? Oh, it was Gulp Sass before. Duh. Alright, and then we'll use Gulp Sass. Gulp Sass. Gulp Sass my ass. Go! Still not working. Okay, something's wrong. Something is seriously wrong. Because my Gulp Sass is just... Oh, maybe I have to do it... Maybe it's not Gulp Sass anymore. Wait, what do I do? Oh, wait, I need Gulp... Yeah, I need ES6 style task. Maybe. Exports, Sass, build Sass. Oh, yeah. Let's try this, maybe. Build my we'll make it out. Okay. Well. Yeah, still not working. Just makes me think something is wrong. Let me check what Gulp version I'm on real quick. I'm on 5. Still not working. What if I delete this? It should remake the folder. If it's gonna do anything. But it's not! Because I don't know. I'm really confused. Because the theme works fine. Like if I go here to the theme and I delete the CSS folder, delete, and I build, it runs. Ta-da! The other one does not. And I know why. It's using the same shit. All it's using is gulp sass instead. Which all this shit's still being used. Dot and parse local host, yeah, whatever. I don't know, man. This is a fucking nightmare. Sass, task sass, yeah. Build series. Yeah, I mean all this works. What about the watcher? Maybe that'll work. Oops. I need to actually add it. Hold on. Near, far, wherever you are. Here we go. Watch. Watch. Ooh, watch me. Watch me. Once more, you open the door. Oh, watcher. Watcher. Go. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. My bad. Watch. Oh. Did I not call it build watch? I did call it build watch. So what the fuck are you talking about? Gulp watcher. Isn't that what the function's called? Yeah, watcher. Oh, maybe it is watch. Right? Oh no, it is watcher. Oh, it's outputting as watch though. All right, fuck you. Starting watch. Maybe watch will work. And if I make an update to this Sass file, let's do I don't know, opacity 1. Hey, that worked. JS vendors is not working. I should probably get rid of that actually. I don't think I need that one. Dugan. Nope, still no CSS. Let's get rid of this. Wait, what? Why is it still running JS? Oh. You gone. You gone. You gone. Oh, did I do the wrong one? I did. Alright, I gotta close this. I'm getting confused. Okay, let's try again. Oh shit. Flex 1. Scander. Oh. Is it still looking in the directory? Oh, let's get rid of this. And that should be it. Let's try again. Make another change. It is detecting the file change. That's what's so fucked up. Wait, what? JavaScript. I don't have a vendor. Wait, where is it still doing that? Scander. Why is it still doing this? Why you do this? I got rid of JS vendor. Let me get rid of this. Alright, let's restart the watch. Flex 1. There we go. And nothing. And here's the best part. It has nothing to do with like a compiling error or anything. It's not erroring at all. Oh shit. See? Valid HCSS. It's just not. It's the destination folder or something. Which doesn't make a lot of sense. Alright, so the watch is not working either. Okay, what is wrong with my destination? What am I doing wrong? The problem is it's not the destination. Because when I get rid of this, watch. Look what shows up. Boom. Shows up. What a surprise. I have no idea. Why is this not working? I'm so confused. It's literally just this. There's something wrong with this. This is not outputting CSS to my destination when I comment it out. Gulp moves my sass. Outputs an unchanged version of my sass file to the CSS destination. Fine. Why? I'm using gulp dart sass. Boom, ba-dum, boom. Nothing is loading. I've been through all this already. It just doesn't work. And I don't know why. I already told you. Everything works except this part. Should not expose log error. Same way SAS did. Okay. I hope it's something not stupid. Sure. Work. Wait, what? Maximum call stack size exceeded. That's weird. Is it too big of a file? I mean, it wasn't before. Why is this still like that? There's nothing in it. Redefining SAS both as your task function as your input. Oh wait. Oh, you're a dumbass. It's their fault. Gulp SAS. Okay. Try it again. Nope. Nothing. I already fucking did this. Hey, Yummy Heart, how you doing? Welcome to the troubleshooting party. I am just fucking flabbergasted why this goddamn SAS compiler is not working. Plumber is not defined. Oh, hold on, I'm not using this shit. What is plumber? Where did plumber come from? How did you add plumber randomly? I guess I need gulp plumber. Yes, I would like graceful error. I mean, whatever. Sure. Give me graceful errors. But I need to install this. I need something. CSS is not outputting. It makes no sense. It's the compressor. It just doesn't make any sense. This is a WordPress game engine. Well, this is an RPG game based off of the WordPress game engine I created. So this is a WordPress website that I built. Well, I built, it's my marketing website. It's orbemortar.com. You'll see here. Yeah, it's just, I put the stream on there. And so, you know, it's all about my sci-fi fantasy book series, which I usually have up. That's weird. Harmonian Chronicles. It is built in PHP. So, this is my sci-fi fantasy book series. This is the marketing website for it. So, I put my RPG video game into my website. So, I'm using WordPress as an asset manager, which, you know, all it's doing is it's saving images, configuration for the game, and I'm utilizing the WordPress user accounts to save user meta, which is just their game data. So like, I'm saving coordinates right now. So where I'm standing right now is saved to my user's account. So when I refresh the game and I click continue, I'm in the same spot, right? So everything you do in the game is being saved to your user meta, and all the assets that control the levels and the, you know, anything about the game, the NPC movements, my movements, weapons, characters, all that's built into WordPress. Even this video that I made for the game is a setting, a game option, which you can see in here. This is what the admin looks like. If you know what WordPress is, yeah, then this is the plugin I'm building, game engine. And basically you'll see it's just custom post types that you can define things about it, like the map images, which I use as the feature image, you know, positions of starting points of the main character, you know, this stuff in here. This is the collision point map, so everything you can't touch, music, you know, all the stuff. And yeah, it's based off of my book series. So I'm basically just rebuilding what I did locally with final assets right now. Technically, right now, I am trying to move everything out of my theme. So everything was in my theme for the website. I'm trying to move it all to a plugin, which I've already done. I'm just having issues getting the SAS compiler to make it turn into CSS for some reason, because I wanted to upgrade my Node version. I was at 11.14, which is really dumb. I wanted to upgrade it to like the newest, or at least 16. And so I'm trying to use a newer version of Gulp SAS, and yeah, trying to get rid of this junk. So right now there's no styling on my local game. Actually, there's nothing right now because I broke everything. This is my local game. That's just not working right now. Soup. Why do you need CSS when you have SAS? Well, SAS, it turns into CSS. It compiles. You use SAS to style things, nested, like, kind of like, you know, post CSS, like nested CSS. But you have to compile it to CSS in order to use it on the website. So that's all I'm doing, and it works fine on the theme. Compiles fine, but like I said, I'm trying to use a newer version. Looks like Plumber's there now, and I'm just kind of troubleshooting with ChatGPT to try to figure out what the hell's wrong with this. But like there's no errors. The SAS itself is fine. Even if I put nothing in there except for like one line, it still doesn't compile. But as soon as I get rid of this fucking this part, compress part, output style compress, it works fine. Like it goes boom. Now I have the CSS file right here. Oh, it's SAS still because it didn't compress into a CSS file, but it just doesn't make any sense. Like there's just something wrong with the compressed. I wonder, do you have to put an output style? What if you don't? Still nothing. It's just running Gulp SAS compiling in general. It's just this fucking Gulp shit. It's just Gulp Dart SAS isn't working. I mean, Gulp SAS wasn't working either. So it's this. You piece of shit. Doesn't matter. I've already done this. Extra debug logging. Nothing's logging. It's not working. Try compiling simple CS. I've already done that. Doesn't work. This. Whatever. I'll rename this. If you want to upgrade Node, use MVM. Yeah, I already did. Yeah, I have MVM. I've been switching around. I mean, I use because on the theme I'm using 11.14. So you know, when I'm over here, I gotta use MVM use 11, and that'll make it work fine. But for the plugin, I'm trying to use a newer version of it, which I think I'm on 16. I'm on 18. Cool. Yeah. Hydrogen. But yeah, it's just not outputting CSS. Doesn't care about me. This is the part that is not working. Why? Yes. Yes. I don't have to do that. I have tried that. But I'm going to do it again. Because I think when I tried this, I was still using gulps. So sure. Take me away. If you like any of the music you hear in the background, it's all me. Bands and stuff that I've done. Anything I've recorded. A lot of it's available online. We also make music here. Good, I'm glad you like it. Then you're going to love this stream because it's just playing constantly. Make sure to subscribe so you can hear it more of it. Okay, go. Okay, well that's... Wait, what? Duplicate. Oh. Right. Right. Sass. Funk. 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 How about that? Gulp sass is not a function. What? Yeah, it is. Right. What did you do? Oh, you subscribed. Fantastic. What did I do wrong? No, it's still using it as a function. How long are you in the coding field? I've been a website programmer for about 20 years. WordPress specifically about 16. So that's why I built this all on WordPress. it's the platform I know best. When you did that, wasn't a function. It's a factor that needs the Sass compiler passed in it. What are you talking about? Oh, okay. So they renamed that instead. Doop tap, doop tap, doop tap, doop tap, tap, doop tap. You're okay. Yeah, so I've been doing it a long time. And that's what this, it's just a website, man. Even though it's like a full-on video game now, I'm just building on it. Been building on it for a very long time. Still not working. It doesn't like this shit. How about you? What are you into programming, coding? What are you into? I mean, if I was working on a new project, TypeScript is kind of like the standard. It's just, I hate it. I hate working in it. It sucks for developers. It's great for platforms because they don't break as easily, and it's harder to break them, and you know, but it's also very hard to get code out because I fucking hate typing everything. But yeah, I like vanilla JavaScript and PHP. You're a backend developer, nice. Java Spring Boot, a little bit of Golang. Nice, those are interesting. Same here. Shut the fuck up. Why you keep making me do this? It's not right. I mean, I like using ChatGPT for programming because it's kind of dumb. And it makes me work harder, which I like because, you know, I'm a self-taught programmer. So all these little things that I don't want to do, that it tries to help me with. It kind of fucks around too much. But yeah, it's still not working. Alright, I think I'm just gonna have to give up. I tap out. We're just gonna use the old gulp. Google AI Studio. Yeah, haven't messed around with them yet. A shoop shoop. Boop. Bop. Doop dap. Bop. I did like having Watcher working though. Wait, is this the same shit I just did? Yes, it is. Give me that. Yeah, whatever, we'll leave that. And then let's get npm uninstall gulp dart sass. And then we'll reinstall gulp sass. Let's change to 11 first. And then npm install gulp sass. And this should kind of work now. Do we have the right directories? Scripts vendors, sass. Yes, we do. So that should just work now. Just like the theme. And if it doesn't work, then that means I don't fucking know what I'm doing differently in the theme. I'm obviously missing like a dependency or something. But I thought I copied the same thing. Are you going to put this out as a plugin? That's exactly what I'm working on right now. Heist King. Look at this. So this is the new menu that you'll get when you install the plugin. It's called Orbem Game Engine, and it'll give you this little game engine menu where you'll have your game options, and you know, so you can do all your global things like the intro video, start screen music, game URL, so you can define where it is, sign in background, that kind of stuff. And then you have all your things. You have your areas, your items, your characters, cutscenes, enemies, weapons, magic, missions, focus view, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, as soon as I finish this and like it's pretty much good to go building my own RPG game on my website, I'm gonna put it in the WordPress directory. I have about 10 plugins in the WordPress directory right now. Some of them have like 200,000 plus installations. The Google Analytics one. So I'm used to authoring open source plugins. So this should be pretty easy to maintain. I mean, it's really fucking complex, and I'm sure a lot of people have a lot of questions and requests, but you know. Have you worked in any of the big tech companies? What do you think about them? Are they worth joining? Better do your own project? No, man. I mean, I'm an enterprise level WordPress programmer, so I only work for giant corporations. I used to work for Disney, Universal. I worked for Warner Brothers, built some Harry Potter websites, built Carrie Underwood website, or worked on it mostly. I rebuilt it. I built DisneySyncLink.com, which is still live. They fucked with the design a little bit, but I built the base theme for it. The first Gutenberg optimized theme that Disney ever used. So I'm used to working like Beachbodies, billion-dollar companies, and it's definitely worth it. Stability is the key in this industry, man. You don't want to be jumping around from small project to small project. This is all for fun. I mean, I wish it was my full-time job. Everybody, please buy these books. Go to orbem.shop. Buy all the stuff on the website. You know, help me retire. But yeah, I mean, giant corporations, that's where it's at. I mean, that's where you're going to get your bonuses. That's where you're going to get your 401ks, your you know, your health benefits, your future. You're learning WordPress right now? Heist King, this is the perfect place for you. I've been working on WordPress for about 16 years now. I'm pretty much a purist, a hybrid purist of WordPress, you know, because working in an enterprise level, you do a bunch of things that are not WordPress, right? You integrate with everything. You know, the AWS suites, you integrate, you're working on the back and front end a lot. and you're building pages and integrating new things that don't exist in WordPress normally. So, but that gets you really integrated into WordPress core. And like I said, I built a bunch of WordPress plugins too, so I really understand the architecture, and I've built a million custom themes too, obviously, including my own for this website. But yeah, if you have any questions, even on projects you're working on or anything you're learning about, feel free to ask. You know, there is a Discord. If you guys jump on orbemorder.com, orbemorder.com, orbemorder.com. Well, not there, unless you want to play the game. The game is live. Yeah, exactly. You can go right here, Orbem Mortar Discord. I have a web development channel in the Discord, and I'm on there all the time. I'm on there right now. Look at bunny feet, Easter stuff. Actually, I need to announce we live. Orbem.live. And you can always hit me on orbem.live. Now we can call you Godfather WordPress. Yeah, I'm one of the old guys in WordPress for sure. There's a handful of us that kind of just go around giant companies. we all work together one time or another. You just got a portfolio of sites. Nice. On my projects. Google Analytics plugin. Yeah. So if you go to WordPress, wordpress.org/plugins, and you search, this is, you know, one of the companies that I built a bunch of plugins for, including the actual Google Analytics plugin. This one has about, how many installs now? Has not the best reviews in the world, but when you have a plugin this long, it's hard to keep great reviews. It has, oh, it says 100,000. Yeah, it's definitely way more. It fluctuates. It's definitely in the 200,000s before, but yeah, we got 20,000, 800, 50,000 on Simple Share. Hey, that actually went up. I think that was only at 40 before. But yeah, you'll see me here. I'm Scott Storbloom. So all the plugins here, these are all the ones that I authored or like actively maintain. Yeah, right here. That's my old location. I'm now in Michigan. What WordPress mainly for? I want to become a full stack engineer so I can learn the front end. Does WordPress good option? I mean, yeah. I mean, every WordPress developer or WordPress programmer. It's kind of hard. WordPress developer is a loose term. A lot of times it's just people that use plugins and themes, third-party stuff to build websites. They call themselves developers. But if you're a WordPress programmer, like I like to make a distinction, you're building themes, you're building plugins. So you're like one step back. Everybody that does that is a full stack developer, because you have to deal with PHP on the server side and you have to deal with JavaScript on the front end. And you're also dealing with React. I mean, if you look in the editor of any of these, this is Gutenberg. This is the WordPress's built-in block-based page builder. So you got like images and, you know, you can do columns and, you know, this is how you build your content out. Paragraph. And if you're going to build a custom block like I did here, this actually takes the characters section and it queries it in and allows me to select one of them, which will automatically choose their voice that I selected for them, or you can upload an MP3 for it. And this will automatically use Google API text-to-speech and make it talk. So this is all in React. And React is, you know, it's one of the newer, not super new anymore, but it's one of the newer frameworks out there, languages. If you want to learn front end, learn React, yeah. Pick up back end, doesn't really matter. Just build a bunch of plugins, yeah. For sure. Yeah, I mean, just work. Don't learn anything you're not getting paid to learn. Best advice I can give. Time's limited. You know? We only have so much time on this earth. And if you're spending it learning a bunch of shit on Udemy and YouTube tutorials and you're not getting paid to learn it, then you might not ever use it. You know? And There's just going to be a new language tomorrow. Next.js, TypeScript, those are like the really big ones right now. Vercel's taking over. There's a lot of headless WordPress sites that are just Next.js front ends, WordPress back ends, where the content's created here. GraphQL in between, and he uses Next.js on the front end. That's a full stack job right there. And a lot of giant companies are using that. So I would, yeah. WordPress is very lucrative. 70% of the world is fucking using it. Yeah. A lot of the websites on the internet are using WordPress. You're a backend developer using JavaScript boot. Yeah. A little bit of Golang. You tried to use React, yeah. But you hate it because it makes updates every month, so YouTube tutorials aren't relevant. React is React. I mean, if you upgrade your React all the time, then yeah, but a lot of sites don't upgrade unless they have to for a security patch or something. So, yeah. But I mean, it's always good to keep up to date. WordPress is not really the full stack tool of choice, but it's a great way to break into the industry as a freelance. Yeah. But like I said, billion-dollar corporations are using WordPress on their major sites. You know? If you've heard of Disney, if you've heard of investors.com, one of the most highly trafficked sites in the world, that's or WordPress sites, those are all ginormous websites. This is not freelance work. This isn't mom and pop. Front end for you, JavaScript's moving target. That's why I use vanilla JavaScript. This entire game is vanilla JavaScript. So everything you see here, all my movements and stuff like that, everything I do for interactions, I even have a way to stop NPCs when they run into me, and then they'll continue walking after I move out of the way. Eventually, she takes a little while. Carol's an old lady. Don't be mean to her. And then, I can punch plants, punch more plants. This is all vanilla JavaScript and just styling. So, yeah, look at her. All right, here, I'll walk with her. Let's go. And then the actual game, it's integrated with Google text-to-speech. This is another integration on the front end.
Mr. Salverson. Mr. Salverson? Hey, Craig.
So I just type in the dialogue in WordPress.
Great. Sorry,
Sends
I
it
didn't
to
notice
the
you were
text-to-speech.
Look, so sorry about your project not working out.
And I
Don't
have
worry,
not changed
You're a young
the
guy.
JavaScript
You'll do great
that
things
I'm
in
using
your life after foresight.
on this. Hold on.
Sir, you know I was days away from...
I don't need to hear this. I have not changed or upgraded the JavaScript I'm using on this very much. And I've been working on this for 4 years. So, yes, there's always a new JavaScript language out there. But, as long as you know vanilla JavaScript, that's the basis of basically all the JavaScript frameworks, with little tweaks here and there. CoffeeScript is a little more wordy. TypeScript is a lot more strict. It's a good basis to start, as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, WordPress is a great option. There's a lot of other great options there too. I mean, any framework is a great option, but like I said, look for the jobs. Maybe in your area, or maybe at this time, you're finding a bunch of front end, headless CMSs like Sanity or Contentful or Builder.io. Maybe a bunch of jobs for those. Take them, learn them. That's where you're going to make your money. Have I built my own framework? No. Again, I don't. Why? Why would I? Unless I got paid to. I don't learn one thing that I don't get paid to learn. Or I don't think will make me money. How about that? Building my own framework, I do not think will make me money. There are too many startups out there with way too many frameworks. Yeah, it's not fun to me to build that kind of stuff. This is fun. This is a creative thing in a framework that I like. And yeah. Honestly, no matter what point in your career you are as a developer, or I would take this to any job genre, is don't learn anything you're not getting paid to learn. Learn on the job. even if you have to take associate, junior level jobs, learn on the job, get better, take what you learned to the next job, and now get paid more. It's just, yeah, job market sucks right now. That's why I'm learning WordPress. You can always count on WordPress. Like I said, there's a million freelance jobs out there, and once you have a good basis and knowledge and portfolio, then there's a million corporations hiring associate engineers just to get on the ground floor and help them out. Because at the end of the day, WordPress is the ultimate content writer's framework. So if you have a business where they're writing articles for their website, FinServe, financial service, the gaming industry, tech, travel sites, book review sites, any company that needs to write a bunch of articles, they will benefit from WordPress because it's a really streamlined way of categorizing, organizing, using workflows and displaying blogs, articles, news, anything news related. And there's a million of them out there, and there's a million of them starting every day because everybody wants to sell ads on their articles and their news. That's the ultimate goal. Get more eyes on my website, my blog, Board Panda, anything, So, yeah. You heard that lots of people hate PHP. Yeah, it's just an older language. It gets a bad rap. I don't see why. At the end of the day, any language that you work on can suck. You know what I mean? It can be not performant. React can be not performant. If you write it wrong, if your queries are fucked and your routes are weird and there's a bunch of flicker everywhere, like, you can screw up any language. But I don't know. People just have a boner for Python, which I guess it's good. And that's fine. But again, I'm not a data scientist, which is who mainly uses Python, even though you can use it for a lot of things. But PHP can do anything Python can. So, and WordPress is built on PHP, so there's no real reason to shy away from it. Yeah. I don't really know why it gets a bad rep, though. I don't know enough about other server languages. Node is fine. It's just JavaScript. You can see how people can easily screw up in PHP. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can screw up hard. Critical failures on PHP can be rough. I mean, but it also depends on your database, too. What you're interacting with PHP. If your database is super clunky, giant, and you have very inefficient queries, yeah, your site's going to be bloated as hell, and it's going to be slow. But if you have a nicely clean, no orphan database, and you're, worried about optimization, PHP, all it does is just turn shit into HTML. And then everything else is JavaScript. Everything else is front end. You don't like Python? I see the trendiness of Python. I don't know. It's just like Next.js. You have the haters and you have the diehard lovers. It's just like React. Haters, lovers. You're going to find it on both ends of the spectrum. But the great part is, I don't give a shit. Because you're paying me to learn it, and I'm going to learn it. And that's fine. I was paid to work in Builder.io. I was paid to work in, I was paid to work in .NET. I learned how to do ASP.NET storefront. I don't never use it again, but I'll learn it if you want me to work on it. Is Golang hipster? To be honest, I don't even know what's Golang. Golang is a language. I know it's an older language. Right? Yeah, 2009, 15 years ago. General purpose programming language that is statically typed and compiled, is known for simplicity of its syntax and efficiency of development that enables inclusion, blah, 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 blah. What does it look like? Go. 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 I don't know. I don't care that much. But that's... I don't know. I don't know what hipster is. I just know the people that are always bonering for Python. They tend to be kind of tech hipsters, but that's fine. Simple language. Oh, is it? Yeah, well, now you can just use cursor and have it right for you. Okay. So I replaced everything with the old gulp shit. Let's see if this works now. Fail. What did... Oh, wait, what? Did I not update this? I did. Wait, where's my SAS? Yeah. What did I do? Am I not in the right file? I am in the right file. Why is it doing this? Oh. Gulp no longer has a default SAS compiler. Please set one yourself. Oh, it's actually asking me to do that. That's funny. Why is it not doing this in my other my theme? That's really weird. Okay. I'll do that if you want. SAS equals require SAS. Boom. Oh, require SAS. I guess I don't need to do that. Why is this happening? Oh, duh. Sorry. Go. Error. Again. What? What's wrong with my destination? Oh. Okay. What does that keep falling? Python is good for coding interviews. Oh, is it? That's good. I don't know. You really want to learn Go for more DevOps stuff, but fucking learn WordPress. Yeah, learn WordPress. But don't do a bunch of tutorials, man. WordPress is a moving target as well. You better just get into some Upwork jobs or Fiverr or Craigslist and just start building shit for little companies and help people out with their websites. Because all you're gonna do is you're gonna learn the newest WordPress, and then you're gonna go work on like a 4.5 version WordPress site, and you're not gonna know anything because it's not the same. But yeah, DevOps, I mean, learn Terraform, get your AWS certifications. I mean, you're not going to need a lot of that shit, but if you want to get a DevOps job, then you'll definitely get it. Learn Kubernetes, you know, and get into that shit. You can be a platform engineer. Oh, they use Python for it? Yeah. It's on orbemortar.com. Hey, I didn't even catch you because you look like Yomi Hearts. How's it going? Yeah, Discord server is on orbemortar.com. That would be this website right here, and it's right under my face. Join the Discord, and this will open up your Discord, and you can join from there, and then I'll give you a wave. Looks like you guys aren't here yet. And then there's a web development channel where you can, yeah, we could talk. You can ask questions. You can get advice, whatever you want. Sweet. Join thine Discord. Where was I? Something about this. Missing something. Missing this? Oh. Okay. Work. Damn it. I did do that. Oh. Oh, I did that wrong. Whoops. I thought they wanted me to do it here. That's not what they wanted. They wanted me to... Oh, shit. They wanted me to do it up here. That's really weird. Oh. Tricky. Go. What the fuck? global this is not defined. Hey, what is wrong with this? Why is this acting? What the fuck? What MVM am I on? I'm on 11.14. Why is it acting? You know what? Let's do a clean install. It's acting like some shit. You joined. Sweet. You're going to take a smoke break, but now you got me locked in. Sorry. Ugh. I'm an addiction. I know. I apologize. You know what? I'm actually going to take my themes package JSON as well. And let's do a complete tear down. Because I don't like that I'm making a bunch of changes when it's not asking me to do that on my theme. Oh, that's right. I had so much shit. Here, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. And then I should probably revert everything I just did. Wait a second. What? Where's my note? Oh, it didn't work. That makes sense. And install. Now it should work. Let's go. Hey, who's lurking on my Twitch? Nobody. Good. Good to know. How much failed? Deprecated, deprecated, deprecated. Did it still work? Is it really fucking me from the deprecations? I don't care. I'm using 11.14. What do you mean deprecated? What is going on? Why is it forcing me to do this? Alright, fuck it. I'm copying the, the node modules folder too. You can't stop me using old shit. I'm gonna do it. F you, man. Your name is what? Let's see. General. Hey! Sleeping Turtle. Hey! That name. I don't... Yeah, I figured you were Russian. Or you just like using the language as your name. Oh, I can't read Russian letters. Wait, let me try. Nope. Not even a tidbit. But welcome. I'm in the US. In case you haven't guessed from my work experience. Yeah, I was living in Burbank by the studios. That's why it was easy to work for, you know, Disney and all them. And I moved to Michigan a few years ago to get away from the city. So now I have like 11 acres over here and a bunch of dogs, and it's much better, much quieter and cooler. Highly recommend if you're working remote to get remote for sure. Oh yeah, we're gonna get a full load of old node modules, and now it should work. I gotta undo all the shit I did in the gulp file though. Maybe I'll just fucking copy and paste it again. In the meantime, let's try the song again. Almost. I'll get there. Oh, it's almost done. Come on, come on. Oh my god. Well, I'm definitely not going to push the no modules folder into the SVN repo. Or whatever. I think WordPress is using GitHub and SVN now. Let's go. Holy shit. Hurry up, dude. Nice play. What it calls. Hey, you're on the big YouTube now. What up, Yomi? I don't know, it doesn't have a song. It doesn't have a name. I was playing it in Translate the Name. I wrote that song. Well, I wrote that song a long time ago before the band, but then I added it to one of our songs. And I forget what that song was called. We never recorded it, so now it just lives in my head. Alright, here we go. Let's now recopy all this. And let's sass. Yeah. Compiled. No way. Oh my god. Okay. I think we can officially say that it has nothing to do with gulp at all. It's about the path or something. You play the whole thing on piano, but Node Modules is still coming. Yeah, I know, right? It still took that long. Yes, this is PHP Storm, the go-to IDE for all WordPress development. I mean, whatever. Everyone uses VS Code, but usually for JavaScript-based stuff, you can do WordPress development in VS Code too. But I like PHP Storm. I like all the integrations. I like the preferences, and I'm just used to it. Shit, I used to use brackets, you know, Sublime Text. But this is yeah, this is a good one. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on. I'm really interested in this problem because there is something blocking. Because of this, there's something stopping it from compiling to this fucking folder. And I just don't get what. I wonder if I create Emacs 2025. I don't even know what that is. What if I do a different folder, like dist? I wonder if it just doesn't like this folder, or maybe it's getting confused with another one. I mean, JavaScript isn't. JavaScript's working fine, but how about this? Assets, build, CSS. Let's try that. Because if that works, then I'll feel really bad because I had an upgraded version of gulp dart sass working. No? It just doesn't want to output anywhere. It makes no sense. It works perfectly in the theme. If it doesn't work here. I don't know why. Oh, it's an old coding editor. Nice. I mean, I used to use Dreamweaver too. That's how I used to build my first websites. My HTML-based websites. That was fun. I also used Flash to build websites. Built my fair share of Flash websites. Very interactive. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's... It doesn't matter what destination it is. This... Oh wait, wrong one. This... No, wrong one. This gulp sass fucking output compressed. Yeah. Yeah, I'm 36. So I am in my officially late 30s. So I've got 2 kids, and 4 dogs. I've lived a life. But that's why I know a bunch of stupid shit. And I know how to work as little as possible for the most amount of money. Because if you're not doing that, then you're not doing anything in life. You're just fucking on a wheel, stressing out all day about, you know, one fucking dumb company's problems and making them your own. Like, you don't want to do that. You want to focus on making as much money as possible, as quick as possible, and just learn exactly what you need to do that. That's the place you're trying to get to? Yeah, I bet. Yeah, it's not easy. I mean, to be honest, I'm severely overworked still to these days. But it comes at a benefit, you know. You gotta... the money's a big deal, you know what I mean? And I'm highly successful in a WordPress career, you know what I mean? Enterprise level WordPress career. So to do that, you have to find the exact right companies, you have to get the exact right salaries, and you have to know what you're worth, and, you know, never say no to anything. Anybody comes to you, even if you're in the most stable job in the world, always say yes. Always. Never turn anything down. You know, the more the merrier. If you have to, you know, wait till you get another job to get rid of your other job. You know what I mean? Like, always keep moving up. You want a raise? Get another job. Find it. You know what I mean? Move up in the world. Yeah, that's the only way you're gonna do it. Because staying at a company for 20 years and getting your little bonus and bump every now and then, that's not the way to work. I definitely don't job hop, but, you know, after 2 years, if there's something better comes along, fucking jump. I mean, that's the best way to make money in this industry specifically. But I'm convinced there is no way to compile in this plugin. I'm convinced. And I'm also extremely confused. I really don't know what the difference is between my theme and this plugin. This is not the first time I've done this. It's like, what did I do differently in here? I just don't get it. I mean, the theme's right here. I got my package, I got my package lock, I got my gulp. And that's it. It's not reading anything weird. I mean, I have a random yarn. But that's probably was an accident. Is this plugin built using PHP or yeah, both? It's just, I just took everything out of my theme and I put it in the plugin. So this is built, yeah, with JavaScript, Sass styling, you know, images, whatever. And then all the classes are in PHP. So this is like the PHP class for a lot of the server-side functionality, all the menus and all the registering, custom post types, forms, and all that shit. Okay. So why is... Yeah, okay. I mean, I get why ChatGPT was having such a hard time. There is no real reason why this isn't outputting properly. And it's pretty damn annoying, to be honest. Because I definitely don't I liked having it upgraded, so I'm definitely going to go back to that, and I'm definitely going to delete this node modules, which was so hard to do. And then I'm definitely gonna revert this back to this. And we'll get this reinstalled. But we really just need to... I mean... I guess I can just not use this SAS... Is there another SAS compile out there I don't know about? I just don't think it's the SAS compiler. It's got to be like a permissions issue or something, which doesn't make any sense considering it was able to move a file to it. It's not a permissions issue. You know what'll help? This will help. Everybody, you forgot, what is this plugin for? This is for my game engine. But we're gonna do this. This is actually a very popular thing that I tend to do during stream, so enjoy. There we go. Cheers, everybody. Happy Monday. Well, you know. Happy something. Hey, Deck Dude. You caught Scotch time. Nobody triggered it, but I triggered it myself. Let's go. Yeah, that'll help. Scotch time. Alright, well, at least we got this shit working again. And let's see. Is this still working, but not working? Nope. What did I do? Oh. Hold on. NVM 18. Oops. NVM use 18. Let's install with that. Cheers, my friends. What is the most interesting guy? What did I? Stay thirsty, my friends? Is that what he says? Wait, that doesn't make sense. Why would he want you to be thirsty? Doesn't make any sense. What happened? Okay, let's try it again. What? What did I do? Plumber, yes, blah blah blah. Why is this not working all of a sudden? Cannot find Gulp Dark SAS. What do you mean? It's right here. Oh. Oh, is it because of this stupid Dart SAS shit? Yeah, let's get rid of that. How about that? No. That's weird. Oh, I must have removed it. Hold on. Install Gulp Dirt Sash. There we go. We'll get that back. Now try. There we go. Okay. Now we're back to it not working, but it's not working, but it is working. So we need to figure this out. There is a reason that I cannot compile, and I'm going to ask Google. Why can't I compile CSS from Gulp in my WordPress plugin? Let's see if this is a weird thing. No, that's working fine. No. That's fine. It's not broken. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to get any help from this. I think I might just be screwed. At least for now, I'll just have to do the compiling in the theme, I guess. And which is kind of stupid, but it's the only place where it works. See? And we have... Oh, shit. It's being imported, though. Wait a second. Is that why this isn't working? Because I have the fucking underscore in the name? Oh my god, I just remembered that. Yeah, that is true. 3 hours. I just remembered. If you put a fucking underscore at the beginning of a SAS name, it's an import file. So it's trying to be imported right now. No fucking way, that's it. I have spent a really long time on this, guys. I have spent a really long time on this. And I just remembered that it makes it an import file. If this works right now, I'm gonna punch you guys. I'm gonna punch you guys if this works. Okay. It still didn't work. Though that is a little confusing why it's not working. Because that is actually the issue. Yeah, because see how I have the admin and app here? And I'm just importing files into it. And then all these are underscored because they get imported that way. So maybe that means that it really... Oh, wait. Did I fuck up the gulp path and shit? Yeah, you guys are safe for now. Hold on. Well, let me simplify all this because I went crazy, like with the plumber and everything. So let's just do this. This. Let's try it with this. And I think that's it. Yeah, it should go to a CSS. Let's see if I have to make it. I shouldn't have to, but let's do it anyways. Oh, hell. Good luck, man. I know I had Invisalign growing up, and putting new ones in was a fucking nightmare. Every time I had to change trays. Okay, it's still not working, but I did do a bunch of bullshit. Hold on. Okay. It's still compiling, but now I'm kind of wondering if it's just not correct. Hold on. So I named my file underscore explore. So I think it was not compiling to dist because it's expected to be imported into another file. Let's see what it says. underscore are considered partials. Partials aren't compiled in standalone CSS files, but are intended to be imported. Yeah, exactly. Oh. Okay. Maybe I should do that. Only if you don't want to import it in another file, just, yeah. Quick fix. If you want to come out, blah, 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 that. We've already given, no, I don't prefer to do that. Though, now I'm starting to think I need to do that, because this is still not really working. Oh, shit. You. Let's try this, but with explore, and see if it works. I look just like Buddy Holly. You can watch 3 things endlessly. How water flows, how lava flows, and how a programmer struggles with code. True. Correct. Those are 3 things you can definitely watch forever. And this is still not working. Even though I literally found the problem, and it's still not working. Isn't that crazy? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this. Directory, pages, and I'm going to see if maybe I just have to compile it in there. Like, for some reason, it's just set up that way. So I'm going to put it in here. Okay. And then in here, I'm going to do a new file, which is going to be called app.sas. And I'm going to import, explore, pages. How do I do it? Get out of here. Not you. I think it's just, pages, explore. Okay. And now let's... Oh, it's a pretty song I wrote. According to canon, debugging the code will take another 3 hours. God damn it. You're right. Stop being right. Okay. And... work. No. It's still not working. So it doesn't care. Oh, shit, this is SAS task. Do I have a SAS? Try again. Go. Why did that change names? No? Motherfucker. Why isn't this working? It was supposed to work this time. God damn it. I really thought I had it. Though, I'm starting to think if I would have kept the old code the way I had it, it would work. And that's the only reason it wasn't working with the old code. Though it's doing the same shit. That's what's annoying. That it was with the old one, too. Let's just keep this the same. I don't really get what the whole callback shit is, but it's working fine. Oh my god. Yeah, it's supposed to be getting that. Oh, let's do this actually. I think I need to do both. Yeah, because it needs to get the subfolders too. Go! No. It just refuses to work. Oh, I'm an idiot. I've been doing this in the theme the whole time. God damn it. There we go. Something's happening. Oh, it's actually doing something. Look. I'm actually getting an output. Like with errors.
It's actually compiling. It's compiling. It's actually... Fuck. Hold on. I need to grab all the variables and shit that I already had. Honestly, I'd like to just get rid of all the variables. Hold on. Let me just see all these. Social media app using a WordPress. So, I did build a social network called OnDeck, ONDEC. I still have it on my repo, the Storebloom repo. And it was basically supposed to be like companies would sign up, people would sign up, and it's you basically the store can let you know when they're open and their hours, day to day. Like it's mostly for smaller businesses, tattoo artists, hairdressers, nail artists. Even if you don't have a business, you could let people know when you're on call, like ready to go, on deck, you know. And I built it all in WordPress, and it worked fine. I just didn't have time to continue it. So you can build an entire social network on WordPress, you know, because accounts are user accounts. WordPress has a built-in user system. And, you know, just like my website, you can do SSO and you can log in however you want. But when you get to the app side, where you actually need a phone app, that's when you got to get into like React Native. And you can connect to your website. There's a WordPress REST API that allows you to have any integration integrate with your WordPress database. So you could use the WordPress REST API endpoints in your React Native app and create an app that works with your website. I just made my game mobile friendly, so you can just go to the website and play the game on your phone, but, you know. Light blue. Light blue? Oh, okay. Whatever, we'll just do blue. Let's do deep sky blue. Nice. Next. Oh, it's all the same thing. Alright, good. Deep sky blue. Is that how it was? Like that? Nope. Like that. Okay. Oh, wait, one word? Oh, okay. Good to know. Alright, maybe we should work now. Nope, there's more. What else? Whole lot of shit. Wait, what? There's more light blue? Where? I didn't see any more. Oh wait, maybe that wasn't. Maybe this is old. Did I skip my shit? Wait, did it work? No. What is failing though? I don't really get what these errors are. Import. Oh, am I importing something? No, I'm being imported. It's still saying light blue. Where the fuck is that coming from? Well, it says line 28. Where's that? No, that's definitely not the right line. Where is light blue? Light blue. Am I in the wrong SAS? God damn it. I was in the wrong folder. I mean file. Come on. This is gonna get really annoying. I gotta delete that. Hold on. I'm gonna delete that file so I don't get confused again. You, die. Stop confusing me. You, close. Stop confusing me. God damn it. Load. Work. Uh-oh. It doesn't like the import. It worked. Let's go. Fucking finally, dude. Finally. Come on. Give it to me. I deserve it. Come on. Yeah! Let's go. Fuck. Motherfucker, dude. That was really annoying. Hold on, I gotta in-queue the styles. God damn it. I can't believe that took so long. Can't believe I didn't realize it was just that underscore. So stupid. Oh, I put all the in-queuing in the plugin. Here we go. No. I need to in-queue. Here we go. No. Wait, where's the JavaScript? I need to in-queue the JavaScript. I am registering. I guess I just in-queue it. Fuck it. Considering it's all going to go to the same place, this will work fine. And let's also do the same thing for the styles. Does it work? Does it work? It works. Let's see if the website looks good now. So it's going to be explore. Oh, no, just app. Dist, CSS, app CSS. All right. Oh, shit. Style. Let's go. And now, well, hey, it's working. This is what should happen. Though, it seems like the actual template. Oh, shit. Do I have my template? Yeah, I have my template. Oh, I need to add the template. Oh, this is my new song. Here, I want to replay this. So I work with a band called Crooktooth. That's basically me and my buddy, my longtime friend, and he wrote this. Or he wrote we do vocals together, and he has a guy that does the music. So I wrote this intro for it because he named it something Spanish. It came out really good. That was me doing the grito. My wife is Mexican, so I can do that. What the fuck? Oh, HTTPS. Yes. What? Why are you redirecting me out, dude? Uh-oh. I'm being locked out of my own... Oh, there we go. Weird. Page templates. Let's go to the page. Escape to Orbem. Great game name. Oh, there we go. Template's not selected. There's no template. Well, that would be a problem. Let's go to the template. I thought... Well, it's not part of the theme. How do I register a page template? Shit. I guess I don't... I'm a writer, musician, developer. Yeah. Too much. Yeah, I do too much shit. And it comes at a cost. My sleep. That's about it. Okay, what the hell? I need... How do you register a page template in a plugin? I guess I never really thought about that. Yeah. Yeah, I did that. Oh, I have to actually register it. Huh. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Cool. Well, that's a new one. See, you learn something every day. I don't do a lot of plugin development anymore, you know? I'm mostly working in themes. Why is this mic so close to me? Thank you. Jesus. In my fucking business, dead. Alright. Add explore theme. Explore template. Page templates. Excuse me. Explore template. And this is the filter. I created a custom auto load functionality that allows you to use PHP docs instead of using add filter, add blah blah, add blah blah. Which makes it much easier to develop. Okay, here we go. Show me a template. Yay, explore template. Well, I guess yeah, whatever. Oh, you know what? I shouldn't call it that. I'm dumb. I should call it game template. It's probably a better name for it. Doop, bop. Nope, wrong one. Doop, bop. Game template. Okay, now it should use the game template. And everything should work now, guys. Ready, set, go. Nothing works. Yeah, so now that this template is loading, let's see, what are we getting? Web theme URL has already been declared. Yes, I need to remove that from the theme. That would be a big deal. WP theme URL, let's get rid of that. Alright, try again. No console error. Perfect. Now what are we getting here? We have escape to Orbem, great. This doesn't look like it's using the right template though. Yeah, no it is. Template Explore. What's being loaded? Are we getting the styles and shit? Plugins. Orbem engine. Okay, we're not getting the styles. Styles are not being loaded. Which, do I have the right assets, disk, CSS? That should be right? Oh wait, wrong one. App CSS. Dist. CSS. App, oh, this is wrong, that's why. It goes... No. You need handle, source, dependencies, version. Oh, I guess that was right. Yeah, okay. Then why are you not... Oh, we should probably do this only in the template, TBH. Oh shit. Let me actually pull these in. Oh, that's why. This here. Templates is page template. I can't tell if this will work, to be honest. Will this work? Templates Explorer. I don't know. It might work. Okay. That's the theme. Oh, now nothing's loading. Yeah, so it's not working. Okay, so how is page template work? How do I get its page template work to work in the plugin? This is just a little bit different. Oh, so maybe I don't need the templates. Let's try it like that, maybe. Yoop. There we go. That worked. Though it's still not loading it's not loading the all the assets. So something's up with the enqueue style. Which is interesting. Why are styles not working? Yeah, I should have this app CSS. Loading from here. Correct. No, I didn't mean to add that actually. That was dumb. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so this exists. Assets, dist, CSS, app CSS, correct. Is this not what I need? Oh, page template explorer. That should still be the case. Page template explorer, yeah, that's good. Okay, but this should load on the site. JavaScript's loading fine. Of course it is. This stuff is for the admin, so I don't need that. And that works. App CSS works, but the enqueue's not working, which is interesting. Oh, maybe I need to enqueue it here too. Sure. Maybe. And then I can just register it here, actually. What the fuck? What is this? What's going on? Why is my computer exploding? Oh. Got it. I was doing it in the plugin class. My bad. You register. Register. Alright, there we go. Go. Now neither of them are loading. Keep making things worse. If these are registering... Oh, I need to register them outside. That's why. Yeah, because I'm enqueuing. Inside the template. Yeah, okay. Let's try again. Still not loading. Motherfucker. Which is weird because if I'm actually using this template, which is coming from the game, which is explore, then I am definitely enqueuing these, meaning they should be loading. I guess enqueuing here might be too early. They're enqueuing before they're registered, it seems like. So it's more like WP head. Sometimes you need to change the priority of when these things are loading. Still not loading. What about after theme setup? No. How about init? That's the first one. It's too early. WP. Alright. You haven't looked this up, but what's the difference between full site editing and block-based editing? So there are themes now in WordPress, and WordPress has been moving towards this, that use the Gutenberg editor, but like for your entire site. So you could edit the footer using the Gutenberg editor. You can edit the header using the Gutenberg editor. Like there's themes that have it built in. If you enable full site editing, you can technically use the editor to edit any portion of your website within the admin. And as opposed to having like hard-coded templates like I do for headers and footers that are using, you know, menus and using widgets to change the content. It's basically like, just like your page content is editable in the Gutenberg editor, like that editor I showed you with the columns and the images, your entire site is edited like that. So the block-based editing is inside of full site editing, but block-based is only for page content. Which, you know, that's fine. Why you no work? Alright, let's switch these to in queue again. Like, my site just hates CSS. Or this plugin hates CSS for some reason. Page editing and post editing, they're the same thing. They're just different post types. So like, this is a page. This is Escape to Orbem is a page. OrbemExplorer.com, this is my home page. It's just a page. But if you go to my news section, and you go to these poorly styled pages, this is a post. This is an article. So this is like a news article. Also, you know, custom post types are just custom versions of posts. So like, that's why I use custom post types in all of my my game editing, basically. It's you know, like areas, items, those are custom post types. Oh god, fuck you. Alright, so we still have the fucking just the JavaScript loading, which is really weird because I'm using NQ style right here, and it's here. Oh, hold on, I forgot to put this back. There'd be NQ scripts. Go. Why am I not getting my styling? God damn it. You know what? Maybe it's this. Styles. I don't know. Maybe. Nope, doesn't care. Son of a bitch. This should not have been this hard. I am extremely impressed how difficult this has been. And do I even have what I need from the template? Kind of. It stops at the top. This isn't even the right template. Is that why? Is it because I'm not using the right fucking page template? And I'm just in-queuing the script everywhere now? I bet that's why. I'm gonna go back. You. No, it's inside the template. Let's test this out. This is actually really weird. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, so it is working. And the style is here. And that is here. Assets, dist, CSS. What the fuck? Why is the CSS not going? You gotta go, Yomi Heart? Alright. Appreciate it. Yeah, can't wait to see you in the next one. Appreciate you jumping on and subscribing. If only we could figure out what the fuck is going on with my NQ. Which makes no goddamn sense. Why this is not in queuing. Technically, I don't need this either. Because I have this. Why would you not in queue in the fucking folder? It's right here. Maybe I can just do this. No. Does not care. Like, it's like the basic shit. That's what's crazy. This is like the most basic shit in the game. And I can't just get some simple fucking styles to load. Which, what am I saying wrong? What's happening? Like, what am I doing? Like, I don't know what I'm missing. Like, this doesn't even matter. It's just CSS, so that's fine. But like, why? It's like almost like if I hard code this shit, would it work? Like, is this not style, type, text CSS, src, fucking this. Echo, you, fucking, you, yes. Get out of here. Wait, what? What's wrong with my type? Obsolete? Whatever, I don't care. Wait, what? SRC is not allowed? I thought that's how style sheets work. Hold up. Dom, 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 dom. That's style, 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 text CSS. These are all link style sheet. That's what it is. My bad. I'm being dumb. Wait, is it even in here? Let me check the network. Is it failing? App CSS? Oops. Is it because there's two different app CSSs? I mean, they're different file names. I mean, who cares if they have the same file names? Different path. Alright, hold on. Link. And this is href. See, now it's working. Source. Plugin. Wait, it's still not loading. Then what's loading? Why is this styling all different now? Oh, maybe it just fucked up from this. Alright, let's try it like this. Alright. Explore styles. Let's try that. Yeah, okay. Now is it loading? Okay. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on. Look at the double assets. Oh, shit. I think I figured it out. Hold up, hold up, hold up. It doesn't need the extra fucking backslash. I'm so stupid. Let's see if that works now. No. This is cleaner now, though. What up, Penguin? How you doing? I'm severely confused. Why is this not working? Like, even if I manually check WP content, plugins, Orbem, game engine, assets. Let's try JS first. What was it? It's Exploremin. Exploremin.js. Boom. Oh, it didn't load. Wonder why. Appmin did. Orbem game assets. Oh. Dist. I forgot the dist. There we go. See? Perfect. And if I load CSS and I add app.css, it loads. So why the fuck aren't you in queuing then? It's the same thing. Motherfucker. I don't get it. Inline scripts. What the fuck? Okay, hold on. Let's see what this is coming out as. Maybe it's just wrong. It could just be dead ass wrong. I mean, I could check by just hard coding, but... So we're getting Orbem, the local, blah blah blah. Dist, CSS. Right here. And if I go to new folder, it's perfect. It loads perfectly. So why the fuck are you not outputting? Except media types like all, print, screen, whatever. Optional, full thing. What the hell? I just... What? I mean, again, I'm doing this in the theme. Why am I having so many issues with the style sheets? This is crazy. See, I'm assigning the styles the same way. ... Null time. Maybe null? Maybe it thinks it needs dependencies or something? I don't fucking know. I'm gonna... I guess I'll add this. And... go. It's just not loading. At all. It doesn't care. Oh wait. It is loading. Wait. It's loading. Did it really need the fucking null? No, it's not loading. Why is it saying it's loading then? Right here. Oh, asset cleanup. Oh, god damn it, I forgot. This has a fucking plugin that compiles all the CSS together. God damn it, hold on. Get me in the fucking admin. Why is this doing this now? I'm using HTTPS. Alright, I just need to get this working. You need to turn this shit off. Asset cleanup. Clear.js. Let's try it again. Okay. So my guess is all the game options got wiped out? No. So why am I not getting the video or anything? It all exists. Nothing's changed. And why is nothing loading inside the container? The template's not working. This shit's not working. Oh, maybe it's just not loading the fucking right file. Templates. Maybe because it's inside here. Where is it? Where am I defining the page template load? I know I just added a function for that. Oh, no, in the plugin. Yeah, right here. Filter theme page templates. Yes. Page template. Game template. Maybe it does need to be templates. Maybe. No. Still not loading. Oh, maybe I need to do it like that. Wait, what? Theme page templates. Oh, template include. When did that happen? I don't remember that part. Maybe I was just missing a whole step. Template include. Uh-huh. And this is explore. Oh, shit. There was like one whole step that I missed. It was actually including the template. Come on. Go. There we go. We got something. Templates loader. Oh. Include. Oh, no. Explore. Okay, well now in this template I need to replace all these explores with... Oh, I need to use explore. There we go. User ID line 9. Oh, whoops. Okay, now what? Explore has no effect on line 7. Why? Wait. Oh. Orbem. Game engine. Explore. There we go. Hey, something's starting. Undefined constant explore, line 59. We're getting somewhere. What is this? Explore. Echo explore. Oh, I must have replaced this by accident. What did what was supposed to be here? I don't remember. I accidentally screwed up something in here. Well, I'm gonna have to rebuild this anyways, but let's just do this, I guess. Undefined function. Oh. Explore PHP. When did I add that? That's weird. Alright. I mean, there's still errors. Yeah, here we go. Explore magic. Oh, okay. So all this stuff needs to go. 145. Let's see how that's working. I'm gonna have to rebuild all this. Right. Instead of page templates, it needs to be templates. And template directory. I need plugin directory. Actually, I need my own thing. This needs to be this plugin dir. Yeah, okay. And then this needs to be templates. Almost there. Let's try now. Almost. Something's exploding now. All the settings. Okay. So that just means that this is not working. So what am I doing wrong? Templates. Templates. Components. Oh, maybe it's... I think I might need to get rid of... Maybe. No, same thing. Definitely a lot more in here now, though. Greetings. Settings. Settings content. Okay, here we go. What's the error? Critical error on this website. Why? It doesn't... Wait, do I not have this power here? I thought I did. Let's check. What do we get? Nope. We do not have this in here. Meaning we're gonna have to just replace it. So explore. So in this function I have down here, I can, oh no, in here, I can actually pass something. No, I can't. Okay. We're just gonna need to define it then, that's fine. Plugin dir equals every content. Well, let's do this. Get plugin directory. Says directory. Plugin dir path, yeah. Templates. Okay. And then let's replace all these. Oh, I guess I don't have to add that. Let's just do this. Plugin dir. Let's get rid of this. Oh, dish. Oh, no, I need to do this. Orbem game engine. Go. Almost. Plugins. Okay, there's just an extra one after templates. That's fine. Nope, I took the wrong one away. Here. Oh, no. Wait, what? Templates. Orbem game. Wait, it's doubling up. What the fuck? Huh? Plugin dir. What the fuck? Plugin dir. Oh, maybe it's actually giving me the full dir. Oh. Okay. You also don't need components. I mean templates. Cool. I think this is the last one. Go. Go. Aha! There we go. Well, now it's just not loading normally. We're missing all of this, which is fine. Music name is not defined. Yeah. Got it. Okay, I think that's it. We'll do some more troubleshooting tomorrow. Thank you so much, everybody, for jumping on today. Everybody who's watching in the future, awesome. Come say hi in person. Appreciate your time. Appreciate everybody who's jumped on and said hi. You're all awesome. Thanks for joining the Discord too, everybody. And I'll definitely catch y'all in the future. Probably tomorrow. Happy Tuesday. Cheers. See you mañana.